Okay, so those are the parts needed to rebuild the solenoid. Okay, go ahead and put it in there. Okay. You really have to see how easy that is.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep. Now, it's hard to tell in the video, but you could do it with almost one finger. It's like opening a can of beans. Ta-da! Zoom in on the can. You want to get it out of there so I can get a better view? Right there. Now let's remove the coil from the can. Now the armature is that little part right there. And then the bushings are right there. Those little bushings that we will replace with this little bushing right there. Oh, it's kind of fuzzy. I'm no Larry. Larry is the king of that. This is the original bushing that we're going to remove, and this is the new bushing.